Here's how to edit received email in Outlook. First, open Microsoft Outlook and find the email that you want to edit. Once you locate it, double-click the email to open it in a separate window. The email must be opened in its own window before you can access the editing options. After that, go to the ribbon at the top of the email window, click on 3 dots, and then go to Actions buttons. Then select Edit Message from the drop-down menu. This will switch the email into edit mode so you can make changes. Now you can edit the subject line, update the email body, or add personal notes and other changes wherever needed. This is useful if you want to correct a typo, add reminders, or organize the email with your own information. Once you finish making your changes, save the edited email. On Windows, press Ctrl+S. If you're using a Mac, press Command+S. You can also click the File tab and then choose Save. After saving, the updated version of the email will remain in your Outlook mailbox with your edits. Keep in mind that these changes are only visible in your own Outlook account. The sender and any other recipients will not see the modifications you made, and the original message they sent remains unchanged. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.